When starting a business doesn't mean you shouldn't start with either small or big amount. It depends on your capital and your budget and what you are going for. If you don't have the large amount, like if you don't have enough capital, you can start with small capital in constructing and getting especially the important requirements you want in that business. Sorry, in that business. You can start with, it depends on your business though. It depends on your business you are going into. Then you now plan into it. But in when planning, you have to know the aim of why you are going into the business. You have to budget, you have to set your goal and how you want the business to run. If you don't set all those things, my dear, the business won't go far. Because starting a business is like you starting um which kind what would I say? Starting a business is like you starting a company. You don't just wake up to just go into the company or go into the work you are not competent in. Starting a business, you have to go gradually so that you'll be able to get the aim you want, like the achievement you want. You understand? See you in my next video. Bye.